addition and subtraction today, and we're just gonna do equations to help you kind of better yourself with that. So first we're gonna start off with a little warm up, and we're gonna talk about what we already know about addition and subtraction. Like I'll give you an example. One could be an addition sign is a plus sign, like this. So we know that the sign for addition is this. So
can I interject real quick? How about everybody make a plus sign? Tell everybody to do it. Like
everybody make a plus sign. Now put it on your forehead. Okay. Now, how about we're gonna go around and everybody's gonna try to give me one thing that they know about maybe addition or subtraction, and it could be anything. Okay. So we're gonna start off with Dejan.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay. And next, we're going to go to Gredia. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're adding.
You're adding. Adding is another word. Okay, and next, Jenna.
Yep. Subtraction is taking away.
Subtraction is taken away. Okay, and next,
1 minus 1 equals 0.
1 minus 1 equals 0. All right, and next,
Addition is increase.
increase. Good vocabulary word.
And sometimes if you hear something like that, say everybody say increase. Like try to get more engaged with this.
Okay,
This is a long
everybody
time
say increase.
Increase.
Increase needs to go up. All right, and okay, Travis.
Subtracting makes things smaller.
Okay, small. Subtract is small. All right, Mr. Gladfelter.
Times, like 2 times 2 is 4.
2 times 2 is 4. Oh my goodness, multiplication.
But if there's kids that are smarter and know too much stuff, and it's like, what do? You run with it, or do you just shut them down and move on? And just think about this.
All right, Emily.
The product of the two numbers added is way bigger.
Product. Does anybody else? Has anybody else heard that word, product?
No.
That's a big vocabulary word.
No.
Product means equal. All right, Orlando.
Addition, you're carrying over numbers. So as soon as number gets above 10, you carry the 1 over to the next.
Oh, so
place
carrying numbers when you're doing equations.
I'm running out of ideas.
I don't know what to say.
All right. Caitlin.
3 plus 3 is 6.
3 plus 3 is 6. Two of the same numbers.
Hey, can we interject real quick, just like learning? What do you guys feel as it's coming around? Is it like getting harder and harder?
It is.
Because I said so many things, and I don't know if first graders would sit this long. So I think I would be like, let's move to the next thing. Do you mind if I just jump on? Just because at first, sometimes you just might want a few examples.
I was gonna
This
do that,
isn't
but
your
I
reflection.
didn't know if I should go around to everybody because sometimes first graders would be like, oh, that's not fair.
I know, and they will. I want to go. So you got to be strong. Just no, you'll get next time. Just move right on because they will talk about 10 million things and get you off track really easy.
Okay, so now we're gonna jump back to our seats and we're gonna go over the next thing. So we're gonna do some activities today. So I need your listening ears while you're walking back to your seats. So we're gonna do some activities today, and we're gonna have to split up into 4 groups. Okay? We're going to do like a little quiz game on the iPad through Socrative, and then we're gonna do a game up here. 2 groups are gonna do a game up here called SWAT. So what we're gonna do is this back row, we're gonna come get an iPad. So we need your walking feet. If you can come grab an iPad, carefully unplug it, and hold it with 2 hands, please. And then this back group is also gonna grab an iPad, please. Walking feet, please. And then we're gonna enter the numbers. When you open up the iPad, you're gonna enter 2015. That's the passcode. And And then the other two groups, we're going to play a game called SWAT. It's going to be like a little relay game. So I'm going to give, while you guys are opening up your iPads, here's one for you, here's one for you, and whenever somebody gets the answer wrong, you're going to give the flash water to them. So we'll go over that in a minute. All right, does everybody have their iPads open?
No, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go to a little, the password was 2015. So we're going to go to your iPad, and we're going to scroll over, and there should be a little blue app. It's called Socrative. Socrative Student, like this. All right. Make sure that our friends with the floss spotters, make sure we're keeping them in our laps, please, and not using them to hurt our friends until our game comes on. So when you go to student login, what's going to be up here? This is going to be your login. This word right here. All right, so you're going to type that in to your student login.
Everybody should be on student too. There's a teacher one, make sure you're on student, Socratic.
The student one is blue, the teacher one is orange. All right, and when you get on there, yes, it's going to be, yes. So when you get on there, you're going to work together with your fellow classmates in your group, and you're going to solve the subtraction equations. The people that are doing the relay up here, we're going to do addition, adding up to 20. And subtraction is equaling no higher than 20. This doesn't really stay in one spot. Okay, so now that you guys have that pulled up, does anybody have any questions? Are they stuck on the iPads? Okay, so you're going to get together with your group and kind of solve the equations. And then I'll walk around once we get the game going. So everybody that has a floss water, or these two groups, if you want to come up here.
17 minus 7. What do you think that is? 10.
All right. So what we're going to do up here is the person without a floss water is going to take these, and you're going to hold them up. Okay. And
0. That's multiplication.
you two are going to be at the board, so you're going to stand right here, and or you can say them. So you could say 4 plus 2, and you guys are going to race to find the answer to 4 plus 2. Okay? The same with you guys. So you guys are going to kind of be a group, and you're just going to transition the flashcards to whoever. So if Jess gets the answer right, she'll stay for a turn, and if Dan gets it wrong, then she'll come back and do the flashcards, and you'll do it. Did you guys understand that? So if you get the answer wrong, you're going to go back there to John, and you're going to take the flash cards, and he's going to come up and do the answer. Oh, hey, we don't have our teachers. That's not nice, Jess. All right? All right. 2 plus what? 1.
Oh, 4 plus 2.
Sorry, I lost.
There you go. What was the answer?
8 plus 8. It was 13 minus 12 equals 1, and it's wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Like seriously?
Yeah.
Oh. I messed that up. I made it.
Oh, you made it?
Yes, I made it. So that was my mistake. Yeah, this is your fault. Yeah, so. Okay, just keep going. I'll see what your answer was on the thing. If you guys have any more questions, just call me over. How are you guys doing over here?
Pumpkin.
Oh, good job.
Here.
Oh, there it is. How you guys doing over here? I know one of the answers was wrong. I think it was like a 13 answer. But are you guys doing okay? Doing okay? You working together?
No, we're at a time.
Yeah, we got it.
I don't listen to Cynthia. She does.
You don't want to help your friends?
I prefer myself. So.
Okay, Orlando, can you come up here? At the end of the class, we're going to do assignments by ourselves, okay? And then, so at this point, can you just come up here and work with your friends, please? To try to get this done? Thank you. All right, are you guys finished over here? You guys finished over here? All right, so now guys, we're going to rotate. If you didn't finish your quiz, that's okay. Just close it down off the iPads. You're going to sit the iPads down where you're at, or sit the floss waters down where you're at, please. And then this group is going to go over here and grab an iPad, and you're going to restart. And then this group over here is going to come up here, and you guys are going to switch.